What is up, Prince Squad? I am back with another video. Yes, another video. And today I am actually waiting for UPS. Like, I actually contact UPS and I always meet him. It's a certain guy that I meet, and I get my packages at his first stop. But today what I am about to do on video is go ahead and, like, if you see, as you see right here, my pallets, they're pretty filthy. You see, they're pretty dirty, pretty filthy. So I'm going to go ahead and replace them and put my markings back on them. And then I'm going to remove some of these screens because I'm about to get ready to print another order. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So if you guys want to check out what I'm doing, stay tuned. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is remove a couple of these screens so that I have more room to work with when I'm replacing these pallets. So I think I'm just going to remove 2 of the screens right now, and then I'm going to adjust the pallets. Because if you guys saw my last video where I was printing the cowgirl shirts, it was starting way at the edge. So if you watch that video, it looked like I was struggling to push it. But the reason it was like that is because, like, I'm going to show you guys what it's like on there. Okay, this is the screen. I was printing this design right here, the cowgirls design. So as you see, once you lay down your screen right here, this is where the letters are, and the screen actually starts right here. I don't know if you guys can see it right there good or not, but this is the end of my platen. So right here, it's about not even 2 inches, not even 2 fingers can fit right there. And look, I got ink on my hands. But yeah, so that's why I was struggling in that video to try to print the shirts, and it was looking like I was a weakling, a 90-pound weakling or something. But yeah, that I'm gonna readjust them because I ended up adjusting it like that when I was doing a certain order. But I'm gonna readjust it back like I had it before once I clean these screens off. This bottle. Alright, I just went and met the UPS man, and right here I got my packages, the t-shirts, and I got my other supplies over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package and let you guys see what I got up in here. Man, it seemed like they shorted me some ink. Man, I'm gonna have to call MacB Supply about this. Look at this. I mean, this is, I just opened this up. You're gonna have to wait till the video come out. I'm on the phone with my sister. She's talking about she can't see. But look, they shorted me some ink. I mean, it is like, this is supposed to be 1 quart of ink. Let me go over here and weigh this and see if it's really a quart, because I feel like I've been shorted. Look at that. But I do like how it's looking creamy and golden and stuff though. But yeah, I'll let y'all know what happens after I contact MacB Supply about this. Man, y'all see how bad I messed my table? I mean, I got stuff spilled everywhere. I ain't never made this big of a mess with this stuff. Do a good job on this video. Had a lot of traffic today, but thank you for watching. If you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I post videos like this each week, and I will see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.